Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ini ya video bangke Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day video sini yang itu mana pakai jipu ni litame private school yang itu tanun bang. Amasih ini bangke Teachers Day celebration orang si pale doni jipu ni lo tanun bang school lang. Kasi teachers an Happy Teachers Day. Kasi non main litame campaign di pare ko pada ni lo tanun bang school lang. Lero kapit ini ni ko na pakai ko. Non main ini di campaign di pare ko. Kasi ada school yang long anle itu mesti tong pen aja. Dono tum non mang keo li tum ko tak ni lo na kan mom school lo anang ya lo jo sudiang lapen ja parents tum dame bang ko ma jo non malom so fi thing iba ana jo.
To begin today's program, I would like to request Sir Chungsi for the invocation. Today we gather to pay tribute to the guiding light of our life, our teachers. Today we gather, teachers, you are the source of inspiration and knowledge. We deeply appreciate your brilliant effort and dedication. Your wisdom and guiding shapes our future. Let us celebrate this day with gratitude and respect. To all our teachers, we say thank you for illuminating our path. Let the Teachers' Day celebration begin. Thank you. So I'd like to request Mr. Openplan to come upon the stage and take your time.
As you all know, my name is Karbomotingi of class 8. Since today on this beautiful occasion, I feel great to welcome you all. And we everyone all know why we gather here today. You know we gather here today is to celebrate one of the most admirable occasion that is Teachers' Day.
was going to doctor to say how do you do, but he shook his little tail and got away. If you thank you. Group dance from Prinsiva and Party. So I would like to request Prinsiva and her party to get ready for the next performance.